The correct camping knife can make all the difference while you're in the woods. Whether you're cutting food, preparing firewood, or managing unforeseen duties. In this compilation of the top 10 camping knives available on Amazon, we have carefully chosen a selection of blades that blend comfort, usefulness, and longevity for any outdoor activity. These knives, which range from little bushcraft partners to multi-purpose fixed blades made for demanding applications, are made to function when it counts most. These tools are dependable, durable, and ready to earn a spot in your pack, regardless of your level of experience as an adventurer or weekend camper. The Morani Basic 511 is a no-nonsense utility knife crafted for rugged use, whether you're out in the field or handling daily tasks. Made in Sweden, it features a 3.6-inch carbon steel blade hardened to approximately HRC 58 to 59, offering excellent sharpness, edge retention, and ease of resharpening. The 0.08-inch blade thickness paired with a scalloped Scandinavian grind makes it perfect for carving, slicing, and utility work. The ergonomic barrel-shaped TPE polymer handle includes a sturdy finger guard, providing comfort and safety even during extended use. It weighs just 3.9 ounces and measures 8 to 5 inch overall, striking a balance between portability and performance. Included is a hard plastic combi sheath that securely holds the blade, offers belt carry, and can interlock with compatible models. Rugged yet affordable, the Basic 511 proves that simplicity and quality can go hand in hand. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned users alike. The Benchmade 15500 MCFTer is a hybrid fixed blade built for hunting and camping tasks. It features a 6.08-inch CPMS for 5VN steel blade with a flat grind and satin or stone wash finish, delivering superb edge retention, corrosion resistance, and sharpness. With 2.9 mm blade thickness and a trailing point profile, it excels at slicing, trimming, and food prep. The full tang steel spine continues through textured OD green GE10 handle scales, ensuring strength and a positive grip even in damp conditions. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, the MCFTer balances portability and stability. Measuring 11.06 inch overall, it's compact yet capable. It comes with a Boltron sheath available in high or camouflage options for secure carry on belt or pack. With its premium materials, ergonomic design, and sharp edge, this knife is tailor-made for hunters, campers, and outdoor culinary use. Feel dirty performance with chef-level precision. The Buck 104 Compadra Camp Knife is a rugged purpose-built tool that excels in all your outdoor and survival tasks. Crafted with a 4.5-inch drop-point blade made from 5160 spring steel and treated with a corrosion-resistant Chercot finish. This knife offers impressive toughness and edge retention. Its full tang construction ensures maximum strength, while the 0.15-inch thick blade handles chopping, slicing, and firewood prep with ease. Weighing just over 7 ounces and measuring 9.5 inch overall, it's balanced and agile for camp or bushcraft use. The natural canvas micarta handle is ergonomic and slip-resistant, offering a comfortable grip even in wet conditions. Finished with a high-quality leather sheath featuring a belt loop, this made-in-USA blade is backed by Box lifetime warranty. Durable, dependable, and ready for action, the Compadra is a true camp companion. The Moran Eldrris is a compact yet highly capable fixed-blade knife designed for everyday carry, camping, and bushcraft. With its 2.2-inch Sandvik 1-7 stainless steel blade, the Eldrris offers exceptional sharpness, corrosion resistance, and durability. Its short yet sturdy blade makes it perfect for precision tasks like carving, food prep, and fire starting, while the Scandi grind ensures excellent control and ease of sharpening. The ergonomic polymer handle provides a comfortable non-slip grip, making it easy to handle even in wet or cold conditions. Despite its small size, The Eldrris is a powerhouse capable of handling various outdoor tasks with ease. This knife comes with a secure plastic sheath, and Morani also offers an optional neck carry kit for added convenience. Whether you're an adventurer, bushcrafter, or just need a reliable backup knife, the Moran Eldrris delivers big performance in a small package, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. The White River Knives M1 Backpacker Pro is a lightweight yet durable fixed blade designed for hikers, campers, and everyday adventurers. Featuring a 3-inch CPMS 35VN stainless steel blade, this knife offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Perfect for outdoor survival and bushcraft tasks. What sets the M1 Backpacker Pro apart is its ergonomic G10 handle scales, providing a secure grip in all conditions. Unlike the standard M1 Backpacker, which comes with a paracord dropped handle, this version offers enhanced comfort and control. Despite its solid construction, it remains lightweight at just 3 ounces, making it easy to carry on extended trips. The KitX sheath with a multi-mount clip ensures safe and versatile carry options, whether attached to a backpack strap or belt. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or tackling everyday tasks, the M1 Backpacker Pro delivers top-tier performance in a compact, ultra-reliable package.